Hey everyone, today I bring you this super delicious giant chocolate cookie recipe. Who can resist a chocolate chip cookie? This is moist and delicious, so let's make it. First of all, you're going to use a room temperature butter, and then you're going to start adding ingredients in it, about a cup of brown sugar in that, 1/4 cup of white sugar, and you're going to mix it really good. I'm going to show you how the consistency is going to be, because at this point the consistency is crucial for making this super delicious yummy ooey gooey cookie. You see the consistency is getting more whiter basically and more pale, kind of that. And then you're going to keep on mixing it. I had a hand mixer. If you have the stand mixer, awesome, go for that. It's going to take less time. Usually it took me about 5 minutes. After that, you're going to add 2 eggs, one at a time, and then you would mix it one, and then you mix it really good, makes it more creamy. After that, you will be adding the flour to it. I use a sifter. You can use a big strainer, whatever you have at that point, and then you're going to use that. So I mixed all the flour, baking soda, and of course the other ingredients in it, and then you're going to sift the whole thing. Initially I just mix it a little bit, and then I when it was like not completely in it, then I would add the chocolate chips, and I had like about 2 tablespoons of nuts in it, just whatever I had it on hand. After that, I mix it really good, and then you can see that I took it out because I wanted to make some giant cookies. So I just spread it on the butter paper, and then I am going to cut it in 8 equal pieces, and then by hand I just roll it in 8 cookies. I wish that I could have rolled it out more, not too soft about it, more roughly, then the texture would be more better. Anyways, I made that, and then I actually going to put it in the fridge. I refrigerated it overnight, and next day I baked it at 375. One thing that I wanted to tell you is that I lined the baking sheet on top of each other just like that, so that the bottom is going to cook evenly. So here we go. I'm going to open one right for you so you can see how delicious they look. They're ooey gooey and so good. You can see all the chocolate chip cookies and all the softness. They were super soft actually to eat them. You can freeze them as well if you want to, and then you can bake them at 375. They might take a little bit more time. Just keep looking, maybe 15 minutes, and then check them and then see if you like them, and they will be perfect. Thank you. Do let me know if you try this recipe, how it turns out for you, and then do subscribe, and I will try to post new recipes. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.